Blizzard offense fourth in the IFL on third down. Snap to Myler. Looking, caught. Harry Ballard up against the boards. Cuts back inside. Ballard for the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. An extra point away from tying this one up in a big touchdown on the first third down of the game. Another look at it. Ballard finding that seam again up the right sideline, went into the dasher boards. No one touched him down into the board, so he was able to cut back, find another seam on the way into the end zone. And now Andrew Mevis with an opportunity to tie this one up with 8 minutes to go in the first quarter. Snap down, kick up on the way, and it is good. But now a short field as Smith hands off up the middle to Ware, and he gets stuck. No hole to run through there. Smith out of the empty look, receivers in forward motion. Snap to Smith, looking downfield, he'll take off and run. He'll run right into a sack. Chris Biggers closing up that hole once again. And now a short field once for the Oilers goes backwards. Third down and 13 coming up from their own 18. Big third down coming up here for the Oilers. Snap to Smith, looking on the dump off, knocked away by Kevin Ransom. Best third down defense all on display on that one. Play clock rolling down as Hall tries to kick this one. It was partially blocked, and it bounces out of play. Vi Rivers coming in off the edge, knocking it away, no good. And the ball will be placed at the 5-yard line. Let's take another look at that one from the backside. Rivers coming. So third and goal from the 1. Power on power. Who comes out on top? Myler under center. Receivers in forward motion. Snap to Myler. Good old fashioned rugby scrum. He's in. Touchdown, Max Myler. That's his 13th rushing touchdown here on the campaign. His second extra point of the day. Snap down, kick on its way. And about 14 minutes to go here in quarter number 2. Smith in the shotgun with Ware to his right. Fake handoff. Smith pressures on from Abdul Wahid. Fumbled, but he got it right back. Rafiq Abdul Wahid off the right side. Coming in and almost forcing a turnover. Smith lucky to get that bounce and get it. Ranking 15th on fourth down, and they gave up another big conversion right there. Smith decides to keep it last minute. Wrong decision. Rafiq Abdul Wahid coming in there on the big time stop. The Oilers going backwards here. Second down and 13. That have been successful in this area so far today. Snap to Myler, handoff, Cagle, untouched over the pile. Touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. And they take a 2-possession lead here in quarter number 2, 20-7, with the extra point upcoming. Jalen Cagle getting a rushing touchdown on the play. That's his 4th on the season. And just going up and over the pile, extending this Blizzard lead. And Andrew Mevis onto a snap down, kick up from Mevis. Receivers in forward motion, snap to Smith. Pressure's on from Lovelace. He's just gonna have to throw this one away. Snap to Myler, out route, pass caught by Lowell Patron, and he's got the first down. Taking a look at that one, a nice easy pitching catch to Patron. Up to the 16-yard line, empty look. 3 receivers at the top of your screen, 1 at the bottom. Snap to Myler, pressure's on, steps up and runs, throws, caught, Harry Ballard stretches into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. They go up 27-10 with 12.1 seconds to go in the first half. Green Bay in full control of this one as Harry Ballard with his second receiving touchdown of the day. And Andrew Mevis on to attempt the extra point. Snap down, kick up, and good. They can kind of sit on the lead, take time off the clock, and run their offense. Pass caught by Lowell Patron. Inside the red zone, still on his feet. Down inside the 5-yard line, 1st and goal, Green Bay. Lowell Patron making a big-time play on the slant route. And 1st and goal coming up from the 4-yard line. From the 2-yard line, 3rd and goal. Myler sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap. Looking for the end zone himself. He's in. Touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. They go up 34-10 with 8 minutes to go here in quarter number 3. His 2nd rushing touchdown of the day puts the Blizzard up by 24, and now Mevis with the extra point to make this a 4-score game. Extra point here for Andrew Mevis. Snap down, kick on the way, and it is good. Line drive fielded by Cagle in the end zone. His first return of the game, Jalen Cagle up the middle. He's got space, and he's brought down right at midfield. 25 yards on the return by Jalen Cagle. And the Blizzard offense coming back out on the field. They've had 5 drives and 5 touchdowns. We're going to keep that trend going here through quarter number 3. In this one. 1st and 10 from midfield. Snap to Myler, throw to E.J. Burgess on the right side, and he's got blocks up the right side, and one play and a first down up past the 15-yard line. Under 5 minutes to go here in quarter number 3. Burgess with his first catch of the game. He had 7 of them last week. Picks up the first down. Myler takes a snap, looks to throw. Pass caught by Patron, rather Harry Ballard, down inside the 5-yard line. Harry Ballard III, we talked to him pregame, and he's put together a really nice ball game so far in this one. Led the team in receiving in that first half, and now another big pickup on 1st and 10. Play clock under 10. Smith gonna keep it. He's dropped. Luray Oladipo making a big-time play in his Blizzard debut. We'll keep things here in Green Bay. A 13-point. Myler sends the receivers in forward motion. 2nd down and 7. Pump fake. He's going to look deep. Pass caught. Harry Ballard inside the 15. Another big catch for Harry Ballard, his 4th on the day. Inside the 15 down to the 12-yard line. 1st and 10, Green Bay. Receivers in forward motion. Snap to Myler, looking for the end zone. Caught! Harry Ballard, his 3rd of the day. Gives the Blizzard a 19-point lead right back. And now the extra point unit coming on to try and make it 20. Harry Ballard, his 5th reception of the day, and his 3rd touchdown. For the 4th time in the last 4 weeks. 10 minutes to go in the 4th quarter. Blizzard up by 20. Pressure's on. Smith hit, sacked. Chris Biggers finishes the job that time. Back inside the 5-yard line. 3rd down and long coming up for this Oilers offense. And immediately the pressure was in from Rafiq Abdul-Wahid and Christopher Biggers. Bottom of your screen, 2 at the top. Receivers in forward motion. Snap to Smith. Pressure's on, looking downfield. Pass broken up. Big time hit from Kevin Ransom. It was Rosario who couldn't haul it in. Second down. Pressure was in, and a clean side swipe by Ransom to knock that one away. Game not put away just yet. Snap to Smith, handoff up the middle. Gobbled up. Sean Mustin. He won't get too many rushing yards running up against number 99 for Green Bay. Splits the double team. And a loss on the play. Myler sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap. 3-man rush. Myler throws across the middle, caught by Lowell Patron. That's a first down. Under 3.5 minutes to go. Clock continues to run. Big time catch by Lowell Patron. And again, third down woes continuing in big situations for Tulsa. Myler under center. Takes the snap, drops to an E. And that will finish it. Green Bay moves to 5-2 with a victory over the Tulsa Oilers, taking game 1 of 2 of the series on the season against this Oilers squad.